What do I need to trade? As you can see, I need 37 screens. Most of my trading is on my phone. What's up YouTube? So, hey, I don't know when you're watching this, I promised everybody I would do a trade setup video, and so to keep this short, sweet, to the point, I'm going to skip a couple of the jokes. So I want to show you guys, don't laugh at me at this. Now, this is the, as far as where this part of the house is at, it's like the storage part, but I threw some sheetrock up before that, ran my own electrical so I could have everything powered for just this circuit. I have a lot of stuff. I see this all the time, and where the jokes were going to come from was, I don't want to run anything here. So, that right there, that desk. We're missing a couple stools. There's usually another one right here, a black one. But I usually have this standing up. Getting shot here. So you can get this desk for about 1,400 bucks. Okay? Has all the bells and whistles. We can unlock this drawer, and you got the keyboard drawer. Here's some of the jokes. 3 laptops, guys. Every time I buy a toy, it is the best of the best at that time. And that's really not to flex on anybody. It's to get into my next point. So, what do you guys think about this desk? Huh? Not $1,200. 2x4s, 4x4s. Had it mounted to the wall actually, and decided to take it down, give it legs so I can back it up to the other desk. So, where the magic happens. 2x4, framed all the way across, melamine, 4x4 legs, 3 monitors. I know 2 of them are 32-inch screen. I don't care how things look. That's why I hesitated to even post this, make this video. Everyone's so, I see this posted all the time. Here's my trade setup. They got their one laptop here, plugged into an external monitor, but it looks like 2 screens, so it's fancy. And then they got like their iPad, their iPod Touch, their phone. They had to borrow a camera to take the picture. They got their kid's iPad over here. Like, as you can see, I need 37 screens because I look at all the news when it comes out. So we're gonna skip that stage. As far as a budget goes, guys, it doesn't get much more budget friendly than this. 2x4s I had in the garage. I think the melamine, pretty sure it's melamine board. Just know that I know trading way more than I know what this is. But I have all the cool bells, the whistles, the toys. I don't even have my phone on me. Most of my trading is on my phone. I definitely like the real estate. I have all the cool lights. The computer, it was the best at the time. It's like a gaming computer. And we can nerd out. We can talk about it all day long. You know what doesn't matter? that could run a Pentium. So we talk about all the cool stuff, right? Stream Deck. This is really awesome. It's got a bunch of buttons. I use it to bring up a Google window. Google or YouTube. The light-up keyboards, my kids like that the most. I have, guys, I'm not bragging, but it kind of irks me when I see people talk about all these expensive trade setups, right? Because this is the most modest version I could probably show you. I have a whole area, a whole shelf in my garage, top to bottom, literally lights, backdrops, different colored lights, different stands, 3 or 4 microphones. I have a Scarlett Stream Deck. You guys remember you said the arm that would come out? I'm talking to that mic. $100 mic, webcam, make the videos. iPhone, most of my trades, do all my planning. You guys see me talking right here on this monitor. If you see me look at the ceiling in the chat, it's because I'm looking at the top of this monitor, and then I keep an eye on YouTube over here. This is my latest laptop. Pretty proud of this one because it's got 2 screens, right? The screen right here, screen right there. I got the chat up, I got screens up, I never have to change a single view. So what I'm trying to say is, we can nerd out. This is my setup. I have all the cool toys, but they don't actually matter. If you're watching this, like, I don't know what the title is going to be at, but I know a lot of people search for this, and it's like, what do I need to trade? what you need to trade is access to the internet. I use tradingview.com. Out of all the brokers I have, tradingview.com. I have that, you have that, you can hop online, you can watch. I go live on Sundays and Wednesdays, and sometimes other times for my mentorship every night. You can literally follow along the exact same tickers and charts that I have. And then you need a way to execute the trade. Most of you guys' phone, that's a handheld computer. You need to be able to execute the trade. Even if it's Robinhood, don't crucify me for this. Robinhood doesn't give you much, gives you one important thing: access to the market. The ability to execute that trade. Use a platform, find a way to make the trade, to actually chart it out, give that structure, and then execute on that. Again, $40 desk. It was just easy because I didn't have to cut much. It took up a lot. I wanted to mount the monitors, so I actually just bought, I did buy a piece of oak board. I wanted something sturdy to mount the monitors to. That's it. So that's about as sturdy as it gets. I mounted a power strip to the bottom so I can actually plug and unplug. So as I move from one property to the next, my whole tray station, not a broker plug, my whole setup, one plug out of the wall, we're rocking and roll. I almost put wheels on this. I didn't because it'd be pointless. I can put wheels on this, wheel it right out the door. For the nerds out there, it's got a graphics card. It's water cooled. Got a bunch of lights. Pretty awesome. The lights match everything else. Speakers, all that, they change colors, keep them locked on the Don Prime Blue. Had to go with the rainbow color for the girls. I have 3 little girls. 3 monitors. I don't know the refresh rate. I know what I'm actually looking at. It's got a background of black, a lot of red and green. We're gonna say green, the stock market's green. I draw some yellow out there. I need something efficient enough for that. That's my trade setup. The green screen back here, so I look like the weatherman on the charts. The sound deadening, well, the audio foam, it's kind of cool. It's black and blue. It's just my favorite colors. It's awesome. My one constant reminder: you can't deposit excuses. Stop making them. Get to trading. Get to learning. You guys have access. You are watching me online right now. Trading's not your thing. Find something that is. Perfect it. Be the best at it, so you can have others be the best. I promise you'll grow at everything you do. That's my inspirational quotes for the day. That's all I got for you guys. So, let me know what you think. And if you think this is bad, just wait, because I am this close. In fact, let me know in the comments down below. There's a shelving system. I have 3 of my walls in the garage are lined with them. The metal shelves, you just kind of lock them in place. I'm thinking about buying one of those. So look at all this wasted space from here to the ceiling. I buy that shelf. I don't put any down here. I put one right here, put the board on top. One more right above the monitors. I can actually stand the monitors. Another board, lights. I can zip tie the power to the back. Functionality. It's gotta be functional. I don't really care how it looks. Probably wouldn't look good in your living room, but I have a full-blown area for this, so I can make it do whatever I want. What do you think? Is that a little too much? Or did it look better than some 2x4s? Let me know in the comments down below, guys.